Hey coders, in the last video we built a to-do list to organize our tasks. Now it's time to challenge our fingers and test our reflexes. In today's project, we are creating a typing speed test game in Python. You will get a sentence to type, race against the clock, and see how fast and accurately you can go. So let's dive in. Very first thing is to import time. Time is a library, and in this program we will be needing this library named as time. Now, the next thing is text. Text is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is a sentence, and now we will type this sentence exactly. So we will give this message to the user to type this sentence exactly, and then we will print this: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And then we will write start is equal to time dot time. This means that we will see the start time, then typed is equals to input start typing. So we will take the input, and then we will end see the end time. So end is equals to time dot time. Now our input is named as typed, so we will check if typed is equal to text. So text is the sentence that we wanted the user to write, and typed is what the user has written. So if both are equal, then we will print that correct, and then we will print the time taken by the user to type this: time taken. And then we will just round off the figure or the time that we got after subtracting end and start. So end minus start means end time minus start time, and we will round off it to two decimal places, and then we will print that this is in seconds. Else if the typed is not equal to the text, this means what the user has written is not equal to what we wanted the user to write. Then we will print typing did not match. So now let us run this program. So you can see it's written: type the sentence exactly, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Start typing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So you can see it said correct. Time taken is 17.67 seconds. So it has rounded it off to two decimal places. Now let us write again the quick. I have not written T in capital this time. Brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now let us see. So you can see this and this were not matching, so it has written that typing did not match. Let's try it once more. The quick brown. So I can see again there is some error in writing. And now let us see what it will say. So again it was, instead of brown it was bound, so it has said that typing did not match. And now let us try to write it correctly. And now you can see it's written correctly and the time taken is this much. So I hope you understood this program. What have we done is, first we have imported the time library, and then we have written the text that the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and then We set the user to type their sentence exactly the same. Then we printed this line here, and then we have seen the starting time and the ending time. And in between this, we have taken the input from the user. And if typed and text are correct, I mean the same, then it means the user has written correctly, and we just show the time written, which is round to two decimal places and minus start time, and this is in seconds. Else, if the user has not written correctly, if there's any mistake in typing, then we will say the typing did not match. So thanks for watching. This was all for this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!